What's the meaning of better homes and gardens? Better homes and gardens. Better homes and gardens.
Better homes and gardens. Better homes and gardens. Better Homes and Gardens is an American-based lifestyle magazine that primarily focuses on home and garden topics. The magazine was first published in 1922 and has since grown to become one of the most popular publications in its genre. The magazine offers a wide range of articles, including home decor ideas, gardening tips, cookbook recipes, and DIY projects. It also covers health and wellness, entertainment and travel, and family-related topics. Better Homes and Gardens aims to inspire and inform its readers by providing them with practical advice, creative ideas, and expert opinions. Overall, the magazine strives to help readers create a better lifestyle for themselves and their families.